Hi, it's Alex here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create everything you need for an online marketing campaign. We're going to be using AI, we're just going to be using a couple of prompts, and we're going to create things like images for social media, for Facebook, for Instagram, whatever platform you like. We're going to be creating banners that we can use on our website. We're going to be creating product images if you've got products to sell. Of course, you can use this if you're selling services as well. We're going to be creating different ad creative in different formats that we can use on platforms like Google AdWords. We're even going to create a video that we can use on Instagram Reels or on Facebook. It's super easy. It's super quick. You only need a couple of AI prompts. The tool we're going to be using is this one. It's Lovart. I think it's Lovart actually. Whatever it's called, it's a fantastic AI tool. It says it's your AI design partner, and that is true. You'll find a link to it in the description. Do go and check it out right now. In terms of pricing, well, it's really reasonable. It does use credits, so the more you use it, the more you are going to have to pay. But the most popular plan, the Pro plan, which is just $45 a month at the moment, comes with 11,000 credits, which is a lot. I've been playing around with it to do social media campaigns and images and videos, and well, I've not got through hardly any credits at all, maybe just a couple of thousand, and I have been using it a lot. Great thing is you get 100 credits every day for just logging in. So as I said, you'll find a link in the description. Let's jump in to Lovart and let's start creating. And here we are, we're in. Nice clean interface. Just got a prompt box here that we can get started with. You can choose which models you'd like to use, or if there's something specific you want to do, like design, you can choose that. Branding, for example, generate logo options or put your logo on a cap. You've got some e-commerce options here where you can add your clothes to a model. Whole load of different things that you can do with just one prompt box. Now I'm going to be creating assets for my brand to sell some of my print-on-demand t-shirts. I've got a summer sale on at the moment. So the first thing you're probably going to want to do is set your brand, and you can do that within here in the brand kit. I've already done it. You can add your logos, you can add your colors, you can choose which fonts fit your brand, and then this will be used in everything that you generate. So you do it once, and then you can use it as many times as you like. Up here there's a little toggle, so you can apply it to all the new projects you create if you want. So I'm going to come down here and click Create Project with this kit, and well, let's get started. So this is our canvas. This is where all of the things that we generate are going to appear. And then down here in the bottom right, we can add our prompt. We can choose the agent, image gen or video gen, and we can also choose our models. You can leave it on auto, and then it will automatically choose the best model for you. So I'm going to start with two t-shirts. I've got two nice designs. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to paste them in. I've got one in my clipboard. I'm going to just paste it in there, this lovely pink t-shirt. I'm going to paste in another one as well in a second, or you can upload files from your computer. So there we go, I pasted in the second image, which is this white t-shirt, and now I'm going to enter my prompt. It's going to be quite a detailed prompt because I want lots of different things. So let me put that in right now. So here is my prompt. It says, create me some assets using these t-shirts, create two models wearing them, a man wearing the white t-shirt and a woman wearing the pink. They are both on a beach in Estepona. Use the brand kit logo, main logo white, and the color and the fonts in the brand kit. Include the text, Estepona Tea Summer Sale Now On. Use code SUMMER10 for 10% off. Fast worldwide shipping. Range of designs, colors, and sizes. And then I'm saying what I want. I want product hero images, detailed images of the products on the models for my product pages with no text or logo. Social media posts for Facebook and Instagram. Promotional posters and banners for my website. And ad creatives in different formats for Google Ads. I know it's quite long, but we want quite a lot. So let's run it and see what we get. So it's been a minute or two and it's still going. It's generating the images using GPT Image 2. I've already got my man model here wearing a t-shirt looking good. And it's continuing to now generate, well, I guess, the female model. So let's sit tight, just relax and let it do the work. So it's created her, and there she is. They're both looking stunning, very good looking people, aren't they? And it just wants me to confirm the rest. So product hero images, both models together, using the brand's colors, product page detail shots, clean model shots, the social media posts, the website promotional posters and banners, vertical and horizontal formats, and then the Google Ads creatives. using the common display sizes. And it all looks good to me, so I'm going to say looks good. I think you should always compliment your AIs. Please go ahead. And you should always say please. So, well, let's go. So the first batch is in. We've got these lovely assets here, which are all looking really good. We've got the model shots. And it's all starting to appear on my canvas. I can zoom in and out just by pinching on my trackpad like this. Or I can come down here and there is a zoom. One thing I want to show you while it is doing the rest of the assets is if there's something that I want to change, say for example a bit of text, I can just click on one of these assets and then we get this edit bar. And we can do a prompt, do a quick edit that way. Or we've got some other tools. For example, we can edit the elements, which will basically layer the image so that we can just move things around, take the guy off, remove the background, whatever we like. And then also this edit text. Let me just show you how that works. If I click edit text, it then brings up the text and we can just make a change. So maybe I want Estepona t-shirt, summer sale now on. Then I can click run. And it can do these things simultaneously. You can have it generating some stuff while you're editing. So again, saves you time, gets stuff done a lot quicker. So it's making those edits. And there we go. It says Estepona t-shirt now instead. Now it just pinged because there's a few more things coming through. We've got this banner and this banner. Looking really good. I mean, they're a lovely couple, aren't they? So let me just give it a few more moments just to finish off what it's generating. Okay, so we're all done. It did take a few minutes, but then obviously it had quite a lot to do. Look at all these wonderful assets that we've got, different shapes and sizes for different ad placements and different social media posts. It's given me a full list down here of what it's done for me. We've got the product hero images, the hero banners. We've got the product page details shots. We've got the social media posts for Facebook and Instagram stories. We've got website posters and banners. We've got the Google Ads display creatives, and it all matches my brand absolutely perfectly. When I'm ready to download any of these, I can just click on them and then there is a download button here and I can download it straight to my computer. You can also do an HD upscale if you like, and of course I've already been through all of the edits that you can do. But there's more. So the final thing I want to do is create a video for my Reels, for my Facebook and my Instagram. So I'm going to put a prompt in, and the prompt is this. I need a video to go with my Reels, recreate the models wearing the tees, no text or logo. It should be 20 seconds long with music, but no sound effects. Needs to be for Facebook and Instagram. And for the model, I'm actually going to choose one. I'm going to choose Dance 2.0 because I think that's the best. Kling is all right, but I do prefer the output of Dance. So I'm going to select that and, well, let's run it. So the video is ready. Let's take a look. That's a nice shot. Now listening, I noticed that the music is a little bit off. I could probably correct that with another prompt and just say, you know, keep it with one nice bit of music. Sounds like there's two bits of music. That's a nice shot. Love that too. So it's about ready, a little bit of tweaking, and I think it'll be absolutely perfect. So I've got everything I need now for my campaigns. I'm going to try and sell some of my print-on-demand t-shirts. Do go and check out Lovart. As I said, there's a link in the description. And also, while you're down there, leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought. Are you using anything like this to create your campaigns? I'd love to hear from you. Always read all the comments that I get. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and make sure you're subscribed so I can see you in the next one.